Whois is a TCP service tool and type that can provide information about the domain name, like the name server, registrar, and this information is often public, since the register itself charge a fee for private registration. So to use it, we will use like this, whois, as simple as that. As you can see, man whois, and you can see it is a client for whois directory service. All right, so whois, then let's type google.com. Here you can see that we found there is a lot of information. Okay, by the way, this is a very important thing for the passive information gathering. You can see the domain name, and here are more information like the name server for google.com and the name servers that being used, and some other information like the creation date. As you can see, it is 1997, updated date, another name servers, the tech country and the state, the organization, as you can see, and all of that stuff. Okay, so all of that using the whois. And by the way, you can see it has more information or more flags, more options. You can read more about it if you want to go deep into it, but don't worry, we will use this and we will handle more details about it. Google hacking. Now actually, search engines like Google could be used to uncover critical information, vulnerabilities, and misconfigured websites. So let's open the browser here like this. Let's go to google.com. Now we want to limit the search to a single domain. So for example, microsoft.com. So we will type site colon, then inside it put microsoft.com. Press enter, and here you will notice that every site here is microsoft.com or subdomains. So microsoft.com, as you can see, microsoft.com, all of the result is microsoft.com. Also, we can look for a specific file type. So for example, I will use file type and then put like this and put PDF. So by doing that, you will see everything as PDF file. Okay, but you need to type more information about it, like hacking, for example, and the file type should be PDF. So the result here will provide, as you can see, PDF, all of the result. All right, there are a lot of other dorks, they called it Google dorks, like the filters you put here. Okay, so I will not provide all of them here in this lecture, but I will provide you with a sheet for all the most important Google Docs. Okay, and you need to learn how to use them in a better way to get the information you want. Netcraft is an internet services company based in England, offering a free web portal that performs various information gathering functions. So the techniques or the services offered by Netcraft considered a passive technique to gather information. Okay, so let's Google it, Netcraft, then Netcraft, go to its website. Now from here, you can see that it has a lot of solutions, a lot of services or whatever. Okay, so for example, from the resources here, from the tools, you can see that we have search DNS. By the way, they have a lot of tools, a lot of stuff. So from here, let's type google.com and type search, and here you can see it will start finding us our domains or subdomains for google.com, like accounts, drive, calendar, news, play, whatever. Okay, now all of that can be achieved from Netcraft. By the way, they have a massive tools, like the most popular website. As you can see, if I go to the tools itself, you will see that they have some tools, some research tools, and all of that stuff. All right, this is used for passive information gathering.